Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 5918 Pickerel Point, overlooking Honeoye Lake.
This is a fantastic cottage-style home with lake views. So let's take a tour.
This is a charming year-round cottage featuring a spacious great room with a living and dining area leading to a kitchen, full bathroom, and 2 spacious bedrooms. Plus, the best part is 2 enclosed porches, one on the back to enjoy nature views, and one on the front to relax and take in those lake views.
This home is situated on a scenic wooded lot with lake views. Pickerel Point is a great waterfront community on the west side of Honeoye Lake, a great place to live, known for great fishing, boating, and waterfront activities. Nearby this property is the quaint hamlet of Honeoye with summertime concerts and is just 16 miles from Canandaigua and the rest of the Finger Lakes region. Nearby is the Hunt Hollow Ski Club and Bristol Mountain. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski. Just minutes away from Honeoye Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5918 Pickerel Point overlooking Honeoye Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!